Well, the day has come. I'm ending my scrap. I'm ending my scrapping here, shall I say. I'm finna turn in this stuff here. I want to say this metal plate is I don't know, quarter inch, 3/4 inch thick plate. I want to say that, but that's going in the scrap. I done had it about 4 years now, sitting on the shelf. And I also got an inch thick um, sheet or plate. I don't know what it came off of, but I want to say that to use that for something else. I want to put a bumper. I want to put a winch on the front and everything, but something else come through. So I'm loading my metal, my aluminum, and my copper. I might try to keep my wires. See how it's smaller and it won't be pretty much in the way into that overflow. But other than that, everything's going right now. Just about all my aluminum is loaded. It still probably ain't that much. I still got one more. I still got a plate to put in here. And put all of this in here so I ain't gotta spend a lot of time checking out when I get to the junkyard. So when I'm done, that 4-foot plate, steel plate I got is gonna sit on top over it. I'm gonna put my buckets on the back seat or in the front seat, on the floor or whatever. Like I said, I'm not sure about my wires I was stripping if I want to get rid of them so fast. I think I might just keep those and get rid of the other wires and start over from there. But I could take that to the house. I won't be really scrapping here no more. I mean, yeah, I wanted to break down this motor, but I'm not going to. I'm taking it as is. Um, I might separate that and get electric motor price for it because it's still holding everything. So I might just get electric motor price for that. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna finish up the bottom of this, pour this into this bucket, load my copper, get that plate, put it back. Like I said, my copper is going in the second row on the floor if I got room in there. I should. I'm putting my jack back here. Yeah. Oh, I got another battery. That's coming. I'm not getting rid of that one, but I'm getting rid of the interstate battery I got and the little small batteries too. I'm putting that in here too. I don't know where this thing came from, but it came off of some machine. I know that for a fact. Like a cat, a bulldozer, a semi truck, an old semi truck or something. I gotta start my truck, my back door been open for about an hour. Last thing I need for it to not start.
Get started just $30. Kids get in free. Visit Shriner.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this in here. This going in. Then I'm gonna load. I'm gonna load that battery. These batteries. I might take the power supplies home until I can find somebody to buy them. Or that would buy them. Or just take them to the junkyard. I think I'm gonna just take all that to the junkyard and get e-waste price for it. A bucket, a change, and I forgot what gauge wire there is. I'm keeping that wire, keeping my bucket of change and locks. My cradle straps, I might just take that home. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna leave that here. But yeah, I'm taking my bucket of change at home because I don't need them here. I don't need them at home, but they will be at home on my back porch. I didn't bring my snap pliers, so that whole thing might just go to the steel pile. All this is cast aluminum. It might just go to the steel pile. I think I'm turning. I think I'm gonna keep this. I think I'm gonna keep this stock. But the white bucket, all the copper going. All of this is going. Um, my transformers with the rest of this transformer coppers is going. I got small transformers, radio transformers in here, and about 15 pounds of this. Uh, of this from. This from the transformers and everything. I just didn't finish, and that's all this going, all this going, this going. Those might stay because I want to strip them down to like that. But yeah, I think I got about 25 pounds maybe. I meant to bring my scale. Probably about 25, 30 pounds. It could be more. I'm gonna take pictures. I'm gonna try to take pictures of the weight when each bucket when I put on the scale at the scrap yard to get a true weight. What else? That's pretty much it. I took my third row seat out, my crate with all my supplies, with all my oil, transmission fluid, brake clean, throttle body cleaner, mass air force cleaner, PB blaster, hydraulic oil. Yeah, I took all that out. My truck don't burn oil, don't leak, none of that. I just like to keep extra oil and transmission fluid for just in case. Hold up. My aluminum, my metal, my copper, one bucket, two buckets. I didn't put the 6 gauge wire rolling here. I left that in there. There's transformers and little pieces of copper, rest of the copper transformers, and so yeah, I got my load. I don't go nowhere without my jack. That jack not going to the junkyard, but I don't go nowhere without it. Never know. Um, and that's pretty much it. I might grab some of these pipes from the sprinkler system getting done next door. So I might grab a few pieces of pipe just to make my steel pile a little heavier. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. This bucket empty. 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 Oh yeah, I gotta throw these wires on here. And I'm taking the wires too. Yeah, I'm taking the wires to my wire bucket over there. I'm taking that to get rid of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My generator, I might end up taking that home sooner or later. Even though I don't want to lug this up a flight of stairs. or just sell it. Sell it. It works. Sell it for $150, maybe two. My radio stand, I can easily take that fan stand. I want to get rid of that stuff. Well, no, I'll say by the end of the day if I want to take no power supplies with me now. Load it up too. Yep. Wires, aluminum, half is aluminum, half steel. Yep, wires loaded, steel, aluminum, aluminum, copper, batteries. I'm keeping a AAA battery, interstate going. My small 3 batteries on the other side on the floor. Copper, copper, transformers. And I think I might put some power supplies here. I'm not sure, but for right now, I'm done. I got some other work I gotta go do. I just went over the scale, and I thought I had got it, pushed the record button, but I didn't. I'm 6860. Last time I came, I was 6,900 pounds. I'm 6860, and I'm carrying copper, metal, and motors. Well, let me see something. I'm just leaving the scrap yard, and my total is 320. My net 320. Copper, number 2 copper, 240 a pound, $240 prepared. $13. Aluminum sheet, I had 154 pounds. $37. Auto batteries, $5.50. I had 3 of them. Electric motors, 20 cents a pound, $10. Electric motor, 65, $13. And they give out checks. They don't give out cash for anything higher than 100, I guess. So now I even can deposit into my bank account or go find a check cashing place and lose a couple of dollars. And I think I will lose a couple of dollars because I don't know how long it's going to take for Chime to put the money into my account. And I don't want to be broke the rest of the weekend. Got bills to pay, things to do. And I'm finna leave about the scrapyard. That was a good run though. Took probably about a few months scrapping them copper transformers. Took about a few months scrapping them copper transformers and all the other stuff I prepared and stuff, but they wouldn't take wires for some reason. That's why I weigh 200 pounds. The truck probably lighter than that, but I got probably about 50 to 100 pounds worth of tools and a 3-ton jack in here. Plus me, I'm over 200. I ain't gonna tell you the real weight. But yeah. So the truck probably weigh about 58, maybe 5,900 pounds, give or take. Maybe one day I'll take everything out of this truck and weigh it. I got a toolbox. That damn thing weigh about 100 pounds. I got another bag of tools in here that originally supposed to be inside my house, and it weighs about 50 pounds. And I know this doggone 3-ton jack weighs a lot. Plus, I got my spare tire. Up in this spot. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get out of here today. So I think I'm gonna leave my third row seat at the job in the warehouse. I don't feel like putting it back in. I want my back to be empty for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna hit this road. Yeah, even if I did take in the electrical wire, they wouldn't have took it. If I would took the electrical wire in whole, they wouldn't have took it and everything. Cause they want you to have a contractor business or card or something saying that it's not vandalized. I ain't stripped copper wire out of a wall or something. So yeah, even though if I would have took that electrical wire in, they wouldn't have accepted it. So yeah, I'm riding down Sunset. They're gonna airport. Riding down Sunset. I'm gonna put this phone down and actually drive.